Apologies for the mix-up there. Women empowerment in Abuja, where the minister is saying that women will be empowered according to the Renewed Hope agenda. She said this at a mobility scheme put together by the ministry and the credit core system.
Across Nigeria, many women continue to face limited access to economic opportunities and formal financing, particularly in male-dominated sectors such as transportation and mobility. To bridge this gap, government and private sector stakeholders are rolling out targeted initiatives aimed at empowering women, expanding access to credit, and strengthening financial inclusion. One of such initiatives is the 10,000 Women in Mobility scheme, designed to support women's participation in the transport and mobility sector while promoting long-term economic stability.
Numbers alone are not enough. What matters is the hope this program brings to homes, to families, to communities across Nigeria. With access to credit for mobility services, women who had once limited opportunities will now earn their own terms. They will also move on their own terms, and they will also succeed on their own terms.
The managing director of Credico says the scheme will provide women with access to mobility assets while also helping them build credit profiles and sustainable livelihoods.
We are going to 10,000 women who would use consumer credits in their name to own vehicles that radically improve their lives. And as we do that, we will continue to see the face of our economy change. This is the dream that President Tinubu had when he set up Credit Corp. And this is the dream that President Tinubu has had for 20 years, that Nigerians should live better now.
Other stakeholders described the initiative as timely and impactful, noting that it will significantly expand women's participation across the mobility and transport value chain.
There are many people who are not going to apply for jobs once you give them this. So you have reduced unemployment by that number. And so that's why we are excited and we are.
The 10,000 Women in Mobility scheme is a nationwide economic empowerment program driven by the Nigerian Consumer Credit Corporation, targeting 10,000 women across the 36 states and the Federal Capital Territory with access to mobility assets as a pathway to economic inclusion. Helen Osamede-Ikins, TVC News, Abuja.